Now that it's all said and done, I can't believe you were the one to build me up then tear me down like an old abandoned house. What you said when you left just left me cold and out of breath. I fell too far, was in way too deep. Guess I let you get the best of